Good afternoon. It is Tuesday, I think, March 29, and we are here at the Fraser Park Library in the Fraser Park Park with Sergeant Downey, the head of the Fraser Park substation. And I understand you had this morning an event called Have a Coffee with a Cop. How was that?
It was good. The event's called Coffee with a Cop. It was held at the Mountain Communities Family Resource Center. Um, in attendance, we had deputies from our department. We also had our crime prevention specialist, a civilian that specializes in crime prevention from our Bakersfield headquarters. And then we also had the CHP there with us.
Okay, so this was the first event that you had this coffee with a cop. Why did you have that?
You know, this is something that our department's been doing for a while. Previously, when I worked in Bakersfield, I attended 3 of these, and they were very successful in Bakersfield, and we hadn't had one yet up here in the mountain communities. So um, I worked with the Family Resource Center, and we came up with the idea of having this, and it took some coordination, but we were able to put it together today.
Okay, so what was the outcome? Did you get some interesting questions, or was it more about socializing and to know each other? So what happened?
We didn't get any specific issues or questions. It was mainly just an opportunity for people from the community to just come in and just meet some of the deputies that work here in Fraser Park and just kind of socialize with them and just have some casual conversations.
Okay, so but for the people that didn't have the opportunity to come this morning, because some people in Fraser Park may even go to work, but you never know. So if people have questions for you, for your department, how can they approach you?
Well, first of all, I've had an open door policy since I came to this assignment. Anybody who wants to come in and have a conversation with me or call the substation, I'm always willing to have that conversation. Um, Now, for the people that weren't able to attend this event because they have jobs and whatnot, we are exploring. I'm going to be working with the Family Resource Center, and we're going to be exploring to see if there's some interest in having another event like this, but only having it in the evening hours so that people that have jobs can attend.
Okay, going back to one of the things, because sometimes law enforcement is in the public view for sure, which is even important. So if people have questions or want to discuss certain issues, not crime issues or something, but issues that impact them, so they can just come to either call the station, make an appointment, or come to the station and see whether they can talk to you or one of your deputies.
Yeah, absolutely. If they want to talk specifically to me, I would suggest calling the substation first and making sure I'm there because I'm not always in the substation. But yes, if they want to talk specifically to me, they're always welcome to do that. I'm like I said, I have an open door policy. I'm willing to discuss any issues that anybody has. Um, and if they don't necessarily need to speak directly to me, I mean, we got deputies on duty 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So you can always, request a deputy or come down to the substation during business hours and ask to talk to a deputy, and one will be available.